Hi guys, it's
Grace
and Zoe from Zoe World DIY, and today we're doing our night routines. So first, I'm going, but that's enough talk. So let's get on to the video. Woo! Hi guys, so first I get into my pajamas, and today I'm going to be wearing this Trinity International University t-shirt with my ear pants. Okay? So, bye.
Okay, now we're stuck out here until Zoe gets dressed. So now we wait. And wait. And wait. It takes so long.
What? Zoe's taking forever?
Yes.
Doing what? Getting ready. Back in there and tell her to hurry up. Tell her you're falling asleep. I'm done
She's
now.
finished.
So now Grace is gonna go get dressed and show you her clothing.
So, for me, I'm going to be wearing my America shirt with my Kissing Duckling shorts.
So now she's gonna get dressed. Okay. So now I have to wait. And this is my cat, Halsey. This takes so long. It's been like forever. Well, I can't. Then again, I did take a long too. Grace, hurry up. You take so long. She's sorry you take a long time to change. Okay, hurry up. It's almost time to go to bed. There you are. Yay! Here you go. Whoa. Okay, so now we wash our faces. So we're gonna go back
Okay.
to our filming room. And our cat, not our cat, my cat is meowing. She wants to be held. Anyways, so now for my nighttime routine, I'm using Continuous Control Acne Cleanser from Clean and Clear. It's a 10% benzoyl peroxide acne treatment. What are you going to be using?
I'm going to be using this Proactive Solution Extra Strength Formula. It's a cleanser.
Yeah.
Proactive Tone. And then the Repair for the same thing. Repairing treatment.
Okay, so let's get going. Just go ahead. We're going to time lapse this.
Put this in. Okay, my hair. Whoops.
Okay, so I'm done. Now we're just going to watch Grace slowly do her thing.
Doing as fast as I can.
I'm sorry! The weird faces people make, though. Yes, again. This is supposed to be kept tightly closed, stored at 20 Celsius to prevent... Her skincare stuff just fell down and it really spread the kidney. It's okay. It didn't break or anything.
Oh, it's by your foot.
Really?
Yeah.
It's on my foot. Okay, hurry up, Grace.
Okay.
Use your repairing treat. You don't put that on there. on your finger.
Okay.
Well, if
then.
you put it around your whole face, that's okay. I mean, I don't do that. Oh, it's done. I'm gonna squirt this at you. Okay, I think we're a little hyper tonight. My cat's
very
trying
hyper.
to eat the wood.
Oh.
I have like a wicker basket, and she's trying to eat it. I think that's safe.
Okay.
Kitty. Here. Oh, good girl. This is my kitten, Diva. Say hello. Hi. Anyways, she's only 4 months old, and she's cute and tiny.
Okay. We're
We
done.
are done. Okay, let's see you in the next part of our night routine. Bye. Alright guys, now we're going to brush our teeth. So we're using the Colgate fluoride toothpaste in Sweet Mint, right?
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, got a water brush. I'm drinking water. I'm kidding, I don't actually do that. I didn't drink water. Well, does this taste fruity? It tastes mango! I need to spit too. Okay, let's use the right stuff this time. Yuck, yuck, yuck. That tasted really bad. Okay, now we're actually using the
Gross.
Crest Complete Lightning Scope Outlast. That was a bad choice. Right? Much better. Okay. And then usually I always have water all over my face. So I just take a towel and wipe it off. There, we're done. Ugh. Okay. Okay, let's go. Let's see what we're doing next. Oh my gosh, my cat. He's here. Don't run away, Posey. No. You'll see him in one of our videos. Tuesday, we're doing a Meet My Cats video. Okay, so next, we get to read. So let's read. Come on, we gotta read. I'm gonna go get my book. Okay, I'm reading Cheese, Sweet Home. It's a cat book about a cat, and it's wonderful. Okay, now Grace, what are you reading?
Oh. I'm reading The Amazing Story of Adolphus Tips.
It's about a cat. Another cat. I think we're addicted to cats. So now we're just gonna read. Whoa, the screen just turned green, guys. Ugh. It's summer. These pants are a little warm. Can't steal my bed from me. I'm not sleeping in the other room. So now I'm just gonna go to bed. And now Grace is gonna go to bed. Good night, guys.
Good night, Zoe. Now it's time for me to go to bed.
and have a good
Bye.
night.